Hello, everybody, and welcome to our second weekly prompt. This is a very special prompt, as you're about to see. So, all I'm going to do is cut and paste the prompt from this post. I'm going to jump into ChatGPT. I happen to be using ChatGPT 4, but it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to paste the prompt, that's all, and I'm going to hit go. And so, the magic of this prompt is that it's going to walk you through the process of building a job description from scratch. You don't have to put in a lot of the variables. It's going to kind of interview you. Okay, so I'm going to be copying and pasting some information, and I'm going to fast forward it so you don't have to watch. So as you can see, you paste the prompt in, you answer the questions, and the result is a solid job description. Of course, like any prompt, you can customize this. So if you need any help with that, put it in the comments. And so you can see in step 12, I chose not to share a job description, but I really encourage you when you're first working with this prompt, have a job description open and just kind of cut and paste the answers. And then in the end, look at your result and then look at your company's job descriptions, and you can start to edit and tweak. But as an advanced tip, in step 12, share a job description. It's not really going to take the qualifications. It's going to look at the format. It's going to look at how you structure things. And this is how we can train this job description builder bot to get better. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know how it works.